Means of communication. Today we will discuss about interpersonal communication and mass communication. Interpersonal communication. Inter means between and personal means it is related to persons. Means communication between persons. So, interpersonal communication means exchange of information or thoughts or message between two or more than two people through verbal or non-verbal means. It is face-to-face communication, means one-to-one communication. In this type of communication, means in interpersonal communication, feedback means response is immediate, quick and direct. Means the other person gives you response side by side and directly to you. It can be verbal, means in speech form or in the form of talk or telephonic conversation or in the form of a letter or an email or SMS. So in all these forms, interpersonal communication can be done. But remember, it is between two or more than two people, but not so many people. It may be between few people, you can say. Mass communication. Mass means large number. Here, large number of people. So it is communication between large number of people. Mass communication is transfer of a message or information to a large group of people at the same time through some medium. Means there is no direct contact between sender and receiver. Means sender needs some medium to share his information or message to large number of people, or we can say to the world also. So that medium can be in any form. So here a medium is needed basically. So there is no direct contact between or face to face communication between sender and receiver. In mass communication, feedback is delayed and conclusion based. Means the response comes after the message reaches the people. Means the message when gets delivered to the people, then after the response comes. So it takes time for response to come. It is not immediate response. And because the response that is given by people is based on their perception, how they perceive that information. So this response is conclusion based. This is a type of response which is not a personal response. It is response which is made by mass of people, and it is a collective response, you can say. Usually media is called means of mass communication, which includes newspapers, television, radios, and we will discuss about these means of mass communication in our next sessions. So hope children, now you are clear with the interpersonal communication and mass communication, and also difference between interpersonal and mass communication.